Hi everyone, my name is Sevara. I'm a career assistant at Marxe Career Services. Welcome to today's Handshake tutorial. Today, I'm excited to walk you through one of the most powerful tools available to you as a student, Handshake. By the end of this session, you will know how to effectively search for jobs, set up smart filters, manage your notifications, and find March school-specific jobs that can boost your career prospects. To log in to Handshake, click Login, type Baruch, and click Login to Handshake. To log into your Handshake account, you will need to use your Universe username and password and complete the authentication. Now, let's set up your profile. It's important to complete your profile. The more complete it is, the better the algorithm can match you with jobs that align with your skills and qualifications. Click My Profile here. And please fill out the section carefully. Start by uploading your professional photo here. Scroll down and carefully complete the sections. Now, let me show you how to find jobs that match your interests and qualifications. To access the Jobs section, click on the jobs in the main navigation menu. Now you will see a list of available positions. Use the search bar at the top to enter keywords related to your field for basic search. For example, sustainability. And now you will see the jobs that are relevant to your keyword. Now let's get strategic with the filtering and find most relevant opportunities. First, start by clicking Marks Collections and type Jobs and Internships. Collection includes the jobs that are relevant for all Marks students. There are more collections tailored for different students at Marks. For example, for higher education students, think tanks, international fairs. Next, to be more specific with filtering, you can select these filters here. And if you want more advanced filtering, click Filters here. Scroll down. And after your selections, make sure to click Apply. Toggle the switch, then you will get job alerts emails from Handshake. Lastly, if you want to save a job, you can go back to it later and apply, make sure to click Save. And now, this job is saved on your Handshake profile. This is the end of our Handshake tutorial. If you have more questions, please reach out to Marxe Career Services. Thank you for your attention.